Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set video wallpaper in iPhone. So I'm provide full guide, don't skip my video. So simply at first select a video that you wanna set in your wallpaper. So like select this video. At first you need to convert this video to live photo option. So go back. Open your app store. At first need to download iApps. Search here to video to live. Okay, then you get these apps. You need to just install these apps. I'm already installed these apps. Just press on to open. Then showing it to more option. I'm just select the first option, video to live photo. Select and select the video that you wanna convert video to live photo. So I'm select this video, press on next. Okay, press on make option. Select the first option. Okay, close. It's loading and now complete to save it. Now I'm checking, this is my video and I'm recently convert this video to live photo. So look here, now successfully make live photo. And now I'm set this photo. Open settings, press on wallpaper, plus option, select photo, okay, I'm recently create this and must be make sure to turn on this. This is a live option. Press on add. Okay, now successfully set up this. So that's it, that's how we can do it.